In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the secret to improve your life in practical ways. Hi, my name is Miriam and I'm a big believer in the law of attraction. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the secret to improve your life in practical ways. Whether you want more money, better relationships, or just want to feel happier and more fulfilled, I'll show you how it's done, so grab a pen and paper and get ready for some serious inspiration. Explanations of the steps to apply the secret in daily life. The book The Secret by Rhonda Byrne is a well-known self-help book and philosophy that tells us that if you think positively, we can create the life we want. This is based upon the law of attraction, which states that what we focus on in our minds, it will be reflected back to us in real life situations. To apply this powerful knowledge for yourself, here are some tips. Tip number 1. Get clear on what you want. Before you can manifest your dreams, taking the time to clearly articulate them is key. Jot down on a piece of paper or create a vision board that displays your goals and aspirations. This will help bring focus and clarity to those wants so they might easier attract into reality. Tip number 2. Emphasize the positive. The secret emphasizes that focus on what you want rather than what you do not is critical to manifesting your desires. Block out any negative self-talk and consciously create positive energy with affirmations and visualization practices. Tip number 3. Open your heart to gratitude. Gratitude is an integral part of harnessing the power of the secret. Appreciating and recognizing all that you have brings more positive experiences into your life. Make it a habit to express heartfelt thanks for everyone, everything, and every experience in your life daily. Tip number 4. Act as if. To bring about the things you truly desire, you must act as though they have already been accomplished. This means embodying the feelings and behaviors of someone who has achieved their aspirations. For example, if a new job is what you seek, then behave like a successful professional in respect to dress and conduct as if that position was yours already. Tip number 5. Replace negative feelings. Unfavorable emotions like apprehension, uncertainty, and distress can impede the stream of constructive energy. Recognize these sensations and practice letting go through mindfulness exercises, meditation sections, or any other method that works for you. Tip number 6. Believe in the power of destiny. Have faith that your positive thoughts and emotions will lead to desirable outcomes. Release yourself from having to control every single aspect and trust that the universe is capable of creating miracles for you. Let go with confidence as it can manifest itself into a beautiful reality. Final conclusion. Dedicate yourself to these steps in your life, and you will manifest the positive experiences and outcomes that the secret promises. Keeping up with such practice will take substantial effort. However, if you persevere, then it's possible to cultivate the existence of your dreams. Are you ready to join the revolution of personal growth and development? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.